This is a nullius 1.1 sushi mold guide. I will go through every step on how to make a modular demand sushi belt with no memory cells. This allows you to have a modular and expandable maul. I assume you have automated the iron ingots. Let's provide them to the sushi belt, but only when requested. Place a belt and connect it to the power pole and set the condition that it has to be greater than 0. Now all the foundry needs to do is to request the ingots in the circuitry to get them. Next up is the requester circuit. Let me explain how it works. First, let's place the building inside it. Next, you set the recipe in the constant combinator. I have a mod to do this. Now you can see that the inserters have the recipe set. This first combinator sends a signal for every requested item you have less than 30 of in the chest. That means as soon as you have 30 of it, it will stop being requested. However, the inserters will still pick them up until you have 100 of them. At that point, the other two combinators will give the inserter a negative signal to tell them to stop picking up the items. So now, because there are no items in the chest, the signal is being sent out. Let's connect it and see what happens. They have more than 30 but less than 100, so the item isn't being requested, but it's still being put in the chest. The system has now been shown to work. It requested iron ingots to make iron plates and then stopped requesting them when it had enough. Now let's place some more and set different recipes. And set the combinators and then connect the poles. Now this one is requesting iron plates, so it's important to set the condition on the inserter where they're made. Now this foundry is feeding items to this foundry using the sushi belt. It has shown itself to work perfectly. We now have a bunch of products made from the iron ingots. Now let's put the system to the test. Let's try to make motors. Set the recipe, and they are requesting plastic, so let's provide that. Connect the poles. We also require the iron wire, so let's make one more foundry. Now let's see how it works. As we can see, we're starting to get some motors. But there's one problem that comes up with the system. If an item is on the belt and nothing is requesting it, then it will remain on the belt indefinitely, taking space. But there is a solution for that. I have one more blueprint, and that is this chest over here. You place it down, connect the green wire to the input here, and then it will pick up items that aren't being requested, and it will place down items that are being requested. I don't have time to go into the details of this build, but that is what it does. So with these things, you can place any amount of assemblers requesting any items and provide them to the sushi belt, and they will simply be made. Then you can run up to this chest and pick it up, or use it in any crafting. Just to reiterate the steps, I'm going to go over it one more time. So you place the blueprint. Number 1, you place the blueprint. Number 2, you connect the wire. Number 3, you set the recipe. Number 4, you set the constant combinator to have the recipe requested. Number 5, you set the output inserter so that it gets provided. And that's it.